Hi THS class, this is Professor Kelly Scarlett, and I have an assignment to make a video for one of my classes I'm taking to learn how to use more tech in the classroom. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to talk to you guys about something that I think gets overlooked sometimes, and that is feedback. I noticed that not all of you check your feedback, and it's really important to do so. I think part of this is some of you may think about assignments and discussions kind of like art contests or Olympic trials, where you toss your entry in and hope for the best, like entering the lottery. But it's not that at all. Feedback is meant to help you along your way as a learner. It's better to think about it more like learning the violin or learning to be a plumber, where you're going to acquire new skills and knowledge. And as you go along, you'll get feedback from instructors and teachers that help you hone your skills. This is the feedback sheet that you're seeing for discussions. Please make sure that you're checking them. What you guys get back from me, in addition to some verbal feedback, is one of the columns in each of these point areas is in italics. It's not perfect. It's the best I can do right now with this way the system is set up. But so, for example, suppose that you get your discussion feedback, and this here on reading and research, the B level is italicized. What that tells you is this is what you did, and what you can do to reach the A point is look at the differences between these two things. And you'll notice the difference between the A point and the B point on this is how many readings are you connecting, and more important, are you connecting outside additional research? So one of these is 1 point from the reading and outside additional research with a specific citation. The A point is 2 specific points from the reading with a specific citation. And that means you're actually using it in an inline site, so we can see where you got the information from. On the other side of that, the C point is if you talk about the reading, but you don't have any outside research, or you don't have a particular citation to the source. Like you're talking about the topic, but I can't tell what you're trying to bring in from the reading. Again, if you look down, writing and mechanics doesn't count for a whole lot, but it does count for something. Looking for you to have reasonably presentable writing so that people can understand what you're saying, and engagement. So look at all these. This is to help you understand where your performance is in terms of the outcomes that we're looking for. In a discussion, usually we're looking for you to show that you understand what you read and that you can connect it to other learning in the program, in the classroom, and outside of the classroom. Same thing on your paper feedback. You'll see that you get there's a 5-point grade point here for each thing, and the actual content and the analysis parts, they're the parts that carry the most of the score. As we get down into writing and originality and APA, they're all little bits of points, but they're important as well. So be sure that you're reading your feedback and taking a look at this. What did you do well? What can you work on? And in addition, you'll have notes from me. What did you do well and what you need to work on? Please call me and ask questions, or email me. Ask questions about your feedback if you don't understand it. I can tell that a lot of you are reading your feedback, but I can also see that some of you are not reading your feedback. And you're really not getting everything you deserve out of class if you're not reading your feedback, because for one thing, you can't use it on the next assignment, and the next assignment will be much easier if you're reading the feedback and using it. But also that this is to help you along on your journey, and if you don't read it, then there's not going to be the same learning and benefit that you would get if you read it. So I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed this video. Please shoot me an email if you can, and let me know, do you want to see more of these little videos? I don't really have a good feel for what you guys want. I know the younger kids really like the videos. So let me know if you like these videos and you think you would like more of them. I'd like to hear about that. If you hate them and it's more trouble than it's worth, which my feelings won't be hurt. I don't have a commitment either way on this little video thing. But and in any event, I hope I will see that all of you read your feedback, and if you have questions, you're going to give me a call or shoot me an email. Thanks.